Ever wanted to unlock the magic of music? To feel the rhythm in your soul and bring beautiful melodies to life? Well, get ready to embark on an exciting journey with Acti Learning Music, Piano and Keyboard Book 1. This isn't just another dusty music book. It's your friendly guide to the wonderful world of piano and keyboard, packed with fun exercises, catchy tunes like Alouette and Ode to Joy, and even cool improvising tips to get your creative juices flowing. Whether you're just starting out or looking to build a solid foundation, this book breaks down everything from note values and finger numbers to playing chords in C, G, and F major. You'll be amazed at how quickly you'll be playing simple harmonies and familiar songs. And the learning doesn't stop at the page. With our online video course on YouTube, you'll have extra support every step of the way. So, are you ready to tickle those ivories and discover the joy of making music? Acti Learning Music, Piano and Keyboard Book 1 by Nyinda Candence Reed.